Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a calm, gentle, useful story about staying calm in life. There was a boy named Mohit. Mohit was a good boy, but Mohit worried a lot. When something small went wrong, he became angry. When something difficult happened, he became stressed. His heart felt fast. His mind felt noisy. One day, Mohit lost an important notebook. He searched everywhere, but he could not find it. He felt angry. He felt scared. He felt restless. He said to himself, "Why does this always happen to me? I cannot handle this." Mohit went to the terrace and sat quietly. He tried to calm down. His grandfather came and sat beside him. He asked softly, "My son, why are you so tense?" Mohit replied slowly, "I am worried. I'm angry. I feel out of control." His grandfather smiled gently and said, "Close your eyes." Mohit closed his eyes. His grandfather said, "Take a slow breath. Inhale, exhale." Mohit breathed slowly. His grandfather continued, "When the mind is noisy, slow breathing brings calm." He said, "Problems do not disappear when we panic. But when we stay calm, we find solutions." Mohit listened quietly. He opened his eyes and felt lighter. Later that day, he found his notebook under the table. He smiled. From that day, Mohit changed. When problems came, he did not panic. He paused. He breathed slowly. He stayed calm, and slowly, his life became peaceful. Because calmness is a quiet strength. Final message. My friends, this story is for you. Life will bring problems. Life will bring stress. But remember, pause, breathe, stay calm. A calm mind makes life easier. Ending line. Thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep breathing slowly. And always remember,